This is my 2011 Nissan Frontier Pro 4X. It does not have the power lock in the tailgate. It's purely key only. And if this has happened to you where your lock stopped working and the key was just turning freely in there and the tailgate would not lock, here's what I did to fix mine. First, you have to remove this panel that is on the inside of the tailgate. There are screws here, and these are some sort of locking clips here. Once you've got this off, you can access the sort of the guts of the locking latch mechanism. With that panel removed, you can see the lock mechanism in here. So this bolt right here, the black one, and that's a 10mm bolt, it had loosened up quite a bit. And so this sort of arm right here that's got a gap in it, it normally sits up over this pin. Well, it had sort of disengaged and was no longer grabbing that pin when it was moving to lock and unlock. So instead of it moving that thing, that arm was just moving freely and nothing was happening. When I tightened that bolt down, this got back into place and it just went back to working. It was easy as that. Super, super simple fix. That's all it took to get my lock working again. If you found this helpful, you could check out the rest of my channel. I've got other DIY videos about the Nissan Frontier and also lots of adventures with the Nissan Frontier out in the backcountry of Oregon and around the West. Thanks for watching.